currently at Disneyland, and it's our last day, so we wanted to go and walk downtown Disney, and I saw that there was a Lego store and a line. It's a free build day. How lucky are we that we get to build a little Arendelle castle from the Frozen movie. This is going to be great. Come with us while we build it. Super cool. Disney branded. We're all building.
Maisie, are you excited to build the castle?
Yeah? From Frozen? Boys, you excited?
No, I have a slot.
Yeah.
Sorry, guys.
Well, thank you. You ready, Maze?
Open it.
Let's get building. We are doing it. How's it coming, crew?
Good. I'm
Coming together. Looking big.
no.
Can that be yours?
On the way.
Honey, what do we need
I'm all done with
now?
mine.
We go to this one, the door.
That. I'm on.
You.
No, I'm on that.